Hello friends, greetings from Iceland. Trip number 2 is ongoing. I just started and driving to the volcano, but today I'm going alone and I have a bike with me behind my back. You see, it's foldable electrical bike, so it should be much easier than the last time. Half of the way at least I can bike. And Nina went to Akureyri to the north, and she will be back on Sunday. So I'm alone here today and driving through the lava fields. Today the weather is not as clear as the previous time, but okay, like cloudy. Cloudy is typical for Iceland. Iceland is a very cloudy country. It's the most cloudy country in Europe after Scotland. So there isn't much to complain about. And very soon we will arrive at the parking lot and start hiking up. Well, biking and hiking together. Then I think I will leave my bike somewhere between the rocks, just in front of the mountain. I will lock it, and the rest I will hike, because there is a big mountain, Fagradalsfjall, which is very hard to bike up. So I will not take a chance to drag my bike up that mountain. Just leave it there, and well, I will save 1 hour for sure by using the bike, which is great, and we will do. So we are approaching Skala Mælifell mountain, this mushroom you see, and here is the first parking. Trail C starts behind this mountain, but if you hike Trail C you'll still reach the lava. You will see it from some distance, but much better to come from the other side, from Trail B, and that's what we are going to do. A bit windy, I can feel the vents. And I think I might stay sometime until midnight. Unfortunately, there is very bad internet connection in that valley in Meradalir, and phone connection in general is very poor, so you can't really upload videos, even photos from there up to the internet. Is very hard. So it's not like last time. Last time I could just come to the volcano, film it. Some have been uploading videos immediately. Now I have to wait until I get to the car or home before I can start informing you what is going on. But that's okay. I don't live far from volcano, just half an hour drive. Approaching the parking lot. See how many cars are here. It's insane. Look, people are parking next to the highway. Many more cars than the previous time. Really busy here. So even the sleeping wagons are coming in here. Hopefully I will find a place. This is absolutely the worst situation with parking of all the trips I ever went. It's very bad. I don't know if I find a place to park a car. Maybe in the end. But luckily I have a small car today, and I can imagine how many people are there. Because we have two cars, Chevrolet Volt and CT Go, Skoda CT Go. And Nina is using Chevrolet Volt. She went to Akureyri. But I'm using a small car today. Oh, this sleeping wagon got stuck or something. He will have a hard time to find a place here. Or maybe maybe he found one. I don't know. Very busy today, as you see. I might park somewhere here probably. Okay, talk to you later. So I found the parking here on the edge. It's advantage to have a small car because you can always squeeze it in, and even in such small car I can fit my bike, as you see. Tiny mini car and foldable electrical bike. So now I'll pull it out and start biking all the way to that mountain called Meradalir. And somewhere there I will park my bike next to the rocks and hike up the mountain. Say 1 hour at least. Alright my friends, we keep going.